Hello, class. This is Mr. McVeigh here, and I just wanted to kind of reinforce what you've been learning in technology, that there are really specific ways that you can do searches. Boolean searches is kind of like the term that people use when they're describing how you just learned in that video from BrainPop, that if you add quotation marks around a phrase, it means that you want that exact phrase in your search results. There are some other ways that you can do some searches. You can do file type so that you get like a PDF or a Word document. If you're looking for, maybe you're looking for somebody else's report and you want to make sure that it is in one of those types of documents. But anyway, those are just a couple of examples that you can find when you do searches. And actually the catalog in the library is set up in a similar way. When you do a search on Destiny, there are ways that you can narrow down your search, but also when you search in a field like the one on BrainPop here, you can put in specific words. So in the library catalog, you can also put in specific words. So if you're on the library page, you go to the catalog, you can do specific searches that will give you a lot better results. So remember those keywords. If you think about key, it's kind of like the most important word. So when you're searching for something, you can type it like you're talking to a person, but you can also speed up the process if you only use really important words. So if I'm doing a research project and I want to learn about a specific country, I wouldn't say, "Where are the books about China?" because then you're asking Destiny to look up all these different things. You're looking for where and are and books and China, and like they said in the video, it's going to try to narrow down the search to the most important words for you. But you're looking for a book, so you don't need to include the word book. You might want to include China. Now it starts to give you some ideas about what other terms would be really key if you're trying to look it up. If you want to learn about the Chinese civilization, that'd be one thing. You can look up biographies as well if you're looking up a particular person from China and you want to do research on them. So search engines are really helpful. You've got to make sure that you put in keywords that are appropriate and that will help you get the results that you want. If you want help finding something on the internet or in the library catalog to look up a book, make sure you come to the circulation desk. Mrs. G or I can help you find those things. We're more than happy to help you with those searches and put into practice the things that you just learned in the BrainPop video, even if you're looking for a fiction or a chapter book. All right, so make sure you stop by the library when you have some free time or during library class. Raise your hand and let me know that you're looking for something specific. We can do that during book exchange time. All right, I look forward to seeing you in the library.